What's going on, guys? My name is Stardust Gaming here. Today we're gonna be fidgeting a spinner. This one. We're gonna be throwing this fidget spinner down the stairs. What will it do? I don't know. Let's go see. So I'm gonna teleport to the stairs. Yeah. All right. Y'all ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Dang. Okay, let's try again. Sorry if you can hear me. Wow. Okay, I'm finna teleport to the room. Okay, I teleported to the room, so this fidget spinner is messed up. Look at this. You can just pop it out. Just push it in, and then you can just start fidgeting it. Okay. You can still spin it, but yeah, that's the end of the video. Peace.